Welcome back to the AIRES Studio channel. Today, we're going to see how to set up monitoring, a super important part to make sure your radio station runs smoothly and everything comes out just the way you planned. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Marcello Costa, and I'm always here to show you how to get the most out of AIRES Studio, the loyal partner of every radio broadcaster who wants to sound great on air. So let's go. Pull up a chair, grab some coffee, and come with me. This one's going to be quick, straight to the point, and useful. Ready to set up monitoring? As you can see, your AIRES is already open here with the settings we had before. So let's get started. Let's learn how we can set up monitoring in AIRES Studio. Go to the Settings button in the upper right corner. Click on the Monitoring option in the drop-down menu. Here you'll have 4 available options: Monitor, Close Monitor, Red Light, Headphones, and Q. These settings will let you control what you hear through the speakers, headphones, and Q. Plus, you can mute the monitor inside your studio when you open the main microphone or the studio microphones. Let's start with the main monitor. Select the Monitor option and choose the device here. In this case, we're going to set the destination for all of the audio output that we route through the monitor buses to main out 3.4. That means output 3.4 of our audio interface. Notice that below there's a Close Monitor option. What does that mean? I'll press this Close Monitor here for you. Let's check it. This means that whenever I open the microphones, which are already set up and configured with the red light trigger feature. In this case here, it's set up with the red light trigger, just as before. This monitor, when it is accessing the microphone, will automatically mute itself. Look down here, you can see that it muted the monitor audio output. If this red light trigger option is disabled or turned off, it will simply leave the channel open and the audio. It will come out through the monitor speakers. So it will depend on how you want to set up the monitors in your studio environment. In my case here, I'm going to leave this option checked. Now let's move on to the headphones. Select Headphones and choose the corresponding physical output. In this case, let's choose Main Out 1 and 2, which is exactly the main output of our audio interface. It's important to emphasize that this output will only send what is selected in the buses, so that this audio is sent solely and exclusively to the headphones for the announcer. Headphone distributors can also be configured, but I'll show you that later on. Make sure to assign the program buses that you want to monitor in the settings. In this case here, I'll always leave bus A activated, which I'm listening right now. Everything I'm saying is going directly into outputs 1 and 2, and I'm currently hearing it in my headphones as I speak. Finally, let's also configure the Q now. Q is usually used for an audio output that serves as an auxiliary to the monitor. So let's go ahead and use the Q. I'm going to use the output from the Dell monitor, which is already configured and renamed here. So this output. I have 2 external speakers connected right here to my Dell monitor, and when I select the Q option, it will also provide me with the audio and Q through these speakers, just like it's happening right now. After completing this configuration, it's very important that you also rename the destinations accordingly. Notice that here it says Main Output 1 and 2 and Main Output 3 and 4. I assigned 1 and 2 to the headphones, and 3 and 4 I set for the monitors. So let's go ahead and rename the headphone here to make things clearer. I'm going to label it as headphone just so we know exactly what it is, okay? Let's set it up here. I'm going to select Host Headphone here, since this output will send the audio directly to the headphones that I'm currently using. In this setup, I am the radio host. For 3 and 4, we're going to label them Studio Monitor. Take a look now. When I activate the monitor, everything is already set up. Studio monitor, headphones, and host. Everything is correctly established. After adjusting all the monitoring settings, please do a quick test now, just to ensure that everything is coming through properly here in your AIRES studio. Notice that I have audio on all the buses C, B, Q. And on these buses, I'm going to run the test, so pay close attention. I'm testing each bus. Everything's okay. Everything is coming out just as we set it up. So everything's good. Test each output by playing an audio file or speaking into a microphone. Make sure all monitoring is working as expected and functioning properly at all times, both on the speakers, on the headphones, and also on the Q. So, did you like this monitor setup? Now that the monitoring is on point, your production will flow with much more control and quality. If this video helped you, leave a like. Share it with your radio friends who also use AIRES Studio, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. Oh, and please comment down below in the comments section how you use monitoring in your studio. I want to hear about your experiences. If you have any questions, check out our website or reach out to our support team. We're here to help you whenever you need it. Thanks so much for sticking with me until now. In the next episode, we'll explore even more powerful features of AIRES Studio to make your operation much more professional. So get ready, because there's good stuff coming your way. See you then!